Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Welcome to another unboxing and testing. And meron tayo ditong semi-automatic Pit Viper John Wick 4 by EMG. Licensed by Taran Tactical Innovations. Manufactured by EMG. And this is made in Taiwan. Gas blowback airsoft pistol. So kung familiar kayo sa movie na John Wick 4, ganito po yung ginamit ni Keanu Reeves dun sa kanyang movie na John Wick 4, yung Pit Viper. Ayan. So this is 9mm in real steel. Sa totoong baril po, 9mm. Ayan. So this is disclaimer, this is just an airsoft gas blowback airsoft pistol made in Taiwan. Ayan. So, naka-magwell, naka-stapled grip, ambidextrous manual safety. Ayan. As you can see, magkabilaan po yan yung kanyang safety. Ayan. Then, beaver tail safety, working din po yan. Same sa totoong baril na gumagana po yung kanyang beaver tail safety. Tapos, adjustable yung sight niya sa rear po. Ayan. Meron siyang adjuster, yung Allen. Flat screw pala, sorry, flat screw. Windage and elevation po. Then, naka-fiber optic sight na rin po yung kanyang front sight with markings po ng Taran Tactical Innovation. Meron din siyang rail for accessories. Naka-combat trigger with 3 holes. Ayan, yung ating Pit Viper John Wick 4. This is EMG brand, made in Taiwan po. Ayan. Yung magazine niya po ay 30 rounder capacity. Ayan, meron din siyang markings ng TTI. Ayan. Okay. So meron na siyang free na gas at saka bala. At also yung silicone oil. Ayan. Okay. Gas blowback airsoft pistol. Pit Viper. Then, meron siyang kasamang card. Ayan. Licensed product po. Certificate of authenticity. Ayan. Ang AMG. Okay. So, testing po. Ayan. So, load tayo ng gas. Ito yung green gas. Ito yung inlet. Ito yung outlet. Sa inlet po tayo maglalagay ng gas. Inverted position, upside down, 3 to 5 seconds. Kailangan nyo lang itutok yung nozzle sa valve. Ayan. Then, ang capacity po nito ay 30 na BBs. Ayan. Okay. So, testing. Testing Pit Viper John Wick 4 by EMG. Okay, so pagka wala na siyang bala, nag-o-open slide siya. Pero sometimes di siya nag-o-open slide pagka mahina yung yung hangin, mahina na or malamig yung magazine. So normal lang po 'yun. Ayan. Okay. So ang gawin niyo pagka nag-open slide, itulak niyo muna ng bahagya yung slide. Tapos ibaba niyo yung slide lock, slide release, then release the slide. Ayan. And hammer down. Okay. So, all goods. Pit Viper John Wick 4 by EMG. Gas blowback airsoft pistol.